Hi, this is Rick Savitsky from Chortek. In this video, I'm going to discuss using JobBOSS2 with QuickBooks Online, and I'm going to cover two technical topics. But first, why bother? Well, these two systems are designed to work together. It's possible to use JobBOSS2 on its own, but when used in conjunction with QuickBooks, there's a lot of additional capabilities that your business can take control of and take advantage of. And it's also a lot easier to outsource your accounting function to a firm like Chortek when QuickBooks Online is used in conjunction with JobBOSS2. And that can save you both time and also allow you to focus on what you do best. Two topics. Number one, not everyone knows that's been using JobBOSS2 that there's a URL that you can click on that will give you a log of what's been added or fixed over time to JobBOSS2. Unfortunately, there's not a way to get an email notification of this, so you literally need to bookmark and check the page periodically. Here's why. Sometimes there's some pretty significant updates or fixes. There was one earlier in 2023 that was negatively impacting invoicing in JobBOSS, and it was fixed, corrected, and having the ability to see this log is really, really helpful for you and your team to avoid frustration and wondering what's going on. Separately, QBO. There's two URLs here. One is an example where you can see what's been added for additional functions and capabilities. It's important to keep in the loop on that so you can take advantage of things that get added. The second one, the screenshot here, allows you or someone on your team to verify is everything green and up and running with QBO, or are there any issues, performance or downage. You can click on the button there to receive automatic email notifications as well, so that you get notified if in fact something's been reported as an outage. So those are two technical things not everyone's aware of. We have other videos on using these two systems together, and we'd love to talk to you if we could help you and your manufacturing operation use these two systems more effectively or even supplement your team. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Bye.